for all stakeholders. So we came up with this idea, let's set up a working group that can sort of look at setting up ARC or an AMC and for the stressed assets, see how we can sort of put them together. It'll sort of give space to the existing holders of those stressed assets, and at the same time sort of build specialization on how to deal with those stressed assets. It will be adequately and appropriately capitalized in due course. So, but it is anything more for me to say without having sort of spent time on looking at the contours. I think it's too early. So as a group, we'll, with Mr. Rajneesh Kumar at State Bank, with Mr. Jay Kumar at Bank of Baroda, and with one more person who will be designated from State Bank of India, we'll work together to find a solution.
Mr. Mehta, we saw Mr. Piyush Goyal open for the idea and suggestion. If required, is there any assurance coming from the government that they would be ready to chip in when it comes to putting in the money for the required capital of such arrangements?
So, I think you heard what the finance minister said, that as far as capital is concerned, his opening lines were that the government of India is committed to support the growth of the PSBs. I think as far as this AMC is concerned, we look at it in terms of what kind of structure it is going to be, whether it will be institutional capital or we need anything from the government. I think it's too early to make any comment on that.
Okay. And lastly, sir, you now heading PNB as non-executive chairman. Seeing that this is also a new concept that has been put in place, it's been tried. How are you looking at this in terms of how autonomously the boards are functioning, and as far as the PNB goes, what is that you want to tell the shareholders at large and public at large? Because we all know PNB has been going through one challenging time in the last few years.
So, as far as the board governance is concerned, I think it's been a chapter that has been we've spoken about it at length earlier, and it's truly important that as the banks have the autonomy, that we have professionals on the board. The boards are very well empowered, and then we also bring in professional management. So I think this is an evolution. It's you've got to work together with the authorities to make sure that there is adequate empowerment for the boards to independently decide the strategy and the direction. It's quite obvious that we have a stakeholder who owns anywhere between 60 to 65% in most of these institutions. So we all have to work collectively to make sure that we achieve the common objectives and goals of the PSBs. They are scheduled commercial banks. They have to function as scheduled commercial banks, but there are also some responsibilities on state-owned institutions. And I think we have to find the right balance.
And my last question, sir, in terms of the aggressive targets that have been put forth by the management to the board when it comes to handling the whole of NPA mess, and particularly the Nirav Modi case which is powdered, how confident are you, the management, achieving these goals set by the board? And is the worst over, particularly when it comes to the one account that is Nirav Modi account for PNB?
So since many of you papers have, or media has speculated on whether the worst is over, I will not comment on that, because that is now something which I think is taken out of context. I'm not sure it is right to say, because you see, when you're looking at the situation today, you are basically evaluating that have I done all the right things, that the balance sheet and the financials are reflecting a true and fair situation as is evident today. Now, you work from there onwards and you say, listen, I have to set the house in order. You have to learn from whatever went wrong, and you have to bring in new processes, new systems, new technology, motivate the people that, listen, whatever has happened, let's not keep driving the car by looking at the rear view mirror. Now let's look at the windscreen and let's look forward and let's build a more robust institution. And I think with that thought in mind, we are building PNB as an institution, and I'm quite sure that every other banker is looking at building it in the same fashion.
Sir, thank you.
Hello sir, Devanshi this side from